My name is Dr. Rehema Ndeda. I'm the chair of the 19th JKUAT Scientific Technological and Innovation Conference, and I'm also a mechatronic engineer by profession working in JKUAT. We are in the 19th edition, which means there have been quite a few changes over the years. We have experienced an expansion in the number of papers and in the fields and the disciplines in which the papers are being received. We have also expanded to a hybrid conference from the initial physical conferences, which allow us to also have participants from all across the globe participating within the conference. Apart from that, we have seen emerging fields such as artificial intelligence taking over, and the role that computing has in the different disciplines like agriculture and trade. And we've seen a lot more of these presentations being made during the conference. This year, we are focused on the theme of how research and innovation promotes sustainable development. We have noticed a lot of disruption in the fields of computing and artificial intelligence. We have thereby created a high-level multidisciplinary panel that is going to talk to us about what is new in their field and how the innovation and research in academia and beyond is going to be shaped by the activities of these disruptions in the market. We are looking forward to this high-level disciplinary panel. Stakeholders in the field of research are very important. There is no research direction without stakeholders. So every year, we engage with our stakeholders in industry, we engage with our partners in research, we engage with other academia organizations to find which direction research is taking. During the conference as well, we expect participation from different stakeholders, and these stakeholders also shape the direction of our research engagement as a university and also as a country moving forward. I welcome you to the 19th JKUAT Scientific Technological and Innovation Conference. This is a chance to network, a chance to find partners, to set up collaborations for research and innovation moving forward. This is also a chance to set a policy direction with regard to where research is going in this decade and even beyond.